warm good morning to one and all present over here. I am Shivangi Mishra from Quantum School of Law. Extremely overwhelmed to welcome you all for National Youth Parliament. No event is successful without prayer to Goddess Saraswati. I would like everyone to stand up for Saraswati Vandana.
Honorable Chancellor Sir, we request you to just motivate us with few of your words so that we can give a great start to today's first edition of Atal Bihari Vajpayee National Youth Parliament. Over to you, sir.
Good morning everyone. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Quantum University, Dr. Vivek Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Major General Sunil Yadav, Director Dr. Vivek Singh Yadav, Professor of Business. Thank you for inviting me over, and of course, all the dignitaries present, both on and offline, and our very dear students. I'm extremely delighted to be on the inauguration of this Atal Bihari Vajpayee National Youth Parliament.
Now I would like to call our VC sir to speak few words.
Honorable Chancellor, Shri Ajay Sir, Pro Vice Chancellor, Major General Sanjay Sharma ji, distinguished guests, offline and online mode, respected teachers, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this gathering, because this gathering signifies a lot, and it signifies the robustness and the sincerity which has been woven by our core leaders, yesterday leaders, when as far as the Constitution is concerned. Our Constitution and their practices is one of the best in the world. We are the largest democracy of the world, and recently you have seen that even the whole world is in the crisis, but our practices, our systems are respected and regarded in whole part of the world, whether it is America, whether it is Russia, whether it is Eastern Europe. You talk about Eastern countries, you talk about any segment, Australia or any other part of the globe, you will surprise that they are respecting, they are regarding our values, and these values are very important. I feel that the objective of today's gathering, National Youth Parliament, is to tell those values to my young generation, because these young generation are going to be future leaders of India and definitely torch bearers for the new nation, new avatar of world leader, India as one of the great countries of the world.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to call Director sir for the welcome address of you.
Good morning, everyone. It's my proud privilege to welcome our Honorable Chancellor, Shri Ajay Goyal ji, to this first edition of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee National Youth Parliament. I would like to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Vivek Kumar sir, our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Major General Sanjay Sharma. I would like to welcome my chief advisor for this National Youth Parliament with a huge round of applause, Mr. Aman Yadav from Banaras Hindu University. Aman, may we see you on camera, please? Thank you, Aman, for coming, advising us, and would like to see our next level of the Youth Parliament with a different flavor today. So looking forward with Mayank, Nishan, and of course Shivansh. All are, I would like to acknowledge their presence today, welcoming them by all the fraternity of esteemed fraternity, management of Quantum University. We welcome you, Aman sir, everyone, and I would like to acknowledge their presence, that these four people are well known for their youth parliament, being a youth parliamentarians, and they have set up an example in complete Indian history by becoming the advisors to many youth parliaments at the age of 22 and 23. So a huge round of applause for these four young people with whom only this day has become true for us. I would like to welcome all the faculty fraternity, all the student participations from premier institutions of repute in India, and I'm very much welcoming everyone to this first edition of National Youth Parliament, and looking forward to have a wonderful session as always what I saw in Aman Yadav's case. So welcoming you all sir once again, and looking forward to have a brightful National Youth Parliament for next 2 days, that is April 29 and 30. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to call VC sir, Pro VC sir, and Director sir to give over the badges for Quantum School of Law, Quantum School of Debating Society.
Formally like to ask Vice Chancellor sir and Vice Chancellor sir to just congratulate everyone and ask everyone to just begin with the competition.
I congratulate each and every individual here for the great success of first edition of Atal Bihari Vajpayee or Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee's National Youth Parliament, the Open. Speaker, can I speak?
Yes, start.
सर एक चीज है सर जिसे देखकर मेरा दिल रोता है सर हमारी सरकार को इतना अपोज किया जाता है सर। दुख तब होता है जब हम कोई अच्छा कदम उठाते हैं और उस पर भी निंदा की जाती है सर। इनको लगता है कि ये सेडेशन एक्ट में अमेंडमेंट्स और ये यूपीपीए अमेंडमेंट ये 2014 के बाद हमें एकदम से ख्याल आया, मोदी जी को और कर दिया। नहीं सर 2012 में जब कांग्रेस की सरकार थी तब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कांग्रेस से ये अपील की थी कि जो फ्री स्पीच पर रेस्ट्रिक्शन की बात की थी उन्होंने। सर मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि जो चीज गलत आज है वो गलत तब भी थी जब उसका कानून में कोई जिक्र नहीं था। और सर इससे भी दुखद बात ये है सर, हमारे ही देश के कोई कॉमेडियन दूसरे देश में जाकर हमारे देश की इतनी निंदा करते हैं, कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ते सर। और ये आज़ादी नहीं है तो सर और क्या है सर, ये आज़ादी नहीं है तो और क्या है सर। मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि इंदिरा गांधी जी के टाइम पर अगर ऐसी कॉमेडी की होती तो उस पर्टिकुलर इंसान की के ऊपर ट्रेजेडी हो जाती सर। और सर कैन आई टेक 5 सेकंड?
हाँ 5-10 seconds।
सर बाहर जाकर ये लोग हमारे देश के बारे में, जिस देश में रह रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं, सो रहे हैं, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, उस देश के बारे में सर ये इतना गलत बोलते हैं सर। इनको एक चीज मैं सजेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, जो ऑडियंस हंस रही होती है सर, मैं चाहता हूँ ये उस ऑडियंस से जाकर पूछे शो के बाद कि वो उनके जोक्स पर हंस रही थी या उनके ऊपर हंस रही थी सर। मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ी नफरत कम हो जाएगी देश के लिए।
सर जैसे ही लास्ट स्पीकर पब्लिक सेशन के खत्म हुए सर, संबित पात्रा ने क्या ये बोला है कि मोदी जी ने लोगों से भी तो प्लीज किया था एक स्पीच पे वो बनाने के लिए? संबित पात्रा जी रिपीट कर दीजिए
सर। मैंने ये कहा था कि ऐसा नहीं है कि 2014 के बाद ही प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के सडनली ख्याल आता है कि हमें ये चेंजेस लाने हैं, ये चीजें थोपनी है सर। थोपने की बात नहीं है, जब हमारी सरकार नहीं थी तब से हमने ये चीजें सोची हुई है। यहाँ तक कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कांग्रेस सरकार से उस टाइम अपील भी करी थी। 2012 में बीजेपी की सरकार नहीं थी सर, 2012 में अपील करी थी और फ्री स्पीच पर रेस्ट्रिक्शन लगाने की बात करी थी सर।
ठीक है। Alright, going towards the last speaker for this particular session, Surya Surya, go ahead.
Navneet and Ravi Rana, this is quite ridiculous as to why this sedition was imposed. Sedition was imposed because they were reciting Hanuman Chalisa. In Hanuman Chalisa, there is not even a single verse in Hanuman Chalisa which makes any hint towards where there is a threat to the sovereignty or integrity of India. I'll give you one verse example from Hanuman Chalisa. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. भूत पिशाच means you can say in today's time you can equate them to like poverty and even in invaders. You can say Mahavir jab naam sunave. Mahavir here means God. So there is not even mention of threat towards sovereignty or integrity of India. That's what I wanted to say. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Surya. Members, with this, we now come to the end of this particular private session, and make sure कि ये भी एक ऐसा सेशन है जहाँ पे आप पार्टी पॉलिसी बोल कर सकते हो। आगे की जो सेशन होती है उसमें आप अपनी पार्टी पॉलिसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए सुनते हैं, ठीक है? Now, I think it's been already, and I think we'll be taking one more session that will be public, and after which we'll end of the session. We'll not go for the documentation. Documentation on theory जाएंगे just because it is not possible to prepare a document in a hybrid mode. ऑनलाइन सिर्फ होता तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप हो जाता, ऑफलाइन सिर्फ होता तो वो कमिटी हो जाता, बट हाइब्रिड में डॉक्यूमेंटेशन कराना इज नॉट एट ऑल पॉसिबल. सो आफ्टर द पब्लिक सेशन आई विल एंड द कमिटी. सो मेक श्योर आप 90 सेकंड्स की स्टेटमेंट भेज दो बिकॉज आई एंड द कमिटी एट 4 नॉट बिफोर दैट. तो अगर आप तब तक चलाते हो तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, अदरवाइज जैसे ही पब्लिक सेशन खत्म होता है I'll end up the committee. So members, we take an unmoderated session of 10 minutes. Let's start the next session at 3:10 and conclude it by 3:40. उसके बाद I'll just give a quick feedback of 5 minutes and I'll take your feedback as well, and then we'll end with the committee. ठीक है? कुछ पूछना है सुरेश भान से?
स्पीकर, अभी मैंने मुलायम सिंह यादव जी को सुना और उन्होंने आंकड़ों की बात करी और मुझे बेहद खुशी है कि समय के साथ साथ उनका फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन पे जो नज़रिया है वो बदलता हुआ नज़र आ रहा है। पर मुलायम सिंह यादव जी शायद भूल गए हैं कि मुरादाबाद में उनकी एक रैली में उन्होंने ये भाषण दिया था कि जो रेपिस्ट होते हैं उन्हें फांसी नहीं होनी चाहिए और रेपिस्ट जो होते हैं उन्होंने भाषण में अपने ये शब्द लिखे थे कि लड़कियां पहले दोस्ती करती है, लड़के लड़कियां में मतभेद हो जाता है, मतभेद होने के बाद उसे रेप का नाम दे दिया जाता है, लड़कों से गलतियां हो जाती है। स्पीकर, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर, मैं मुलायम सिंह यादव जी से ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि क्या ये फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन का दुरुपयोग है या नहीं है? थैंक यू।
So then you can take people forward and you still get to discussion with people who are along with them. But at this particular time, something that was a सवाल पूछ सकते हैं।
थैंक यू। चलिए आंकड़ों की अगर बात की जाए तो मैं आंकड़ों की बात करता हूँ। 2014 से पहले कांग्रेस की सरकार थी। मुझे पता है मुलायम सिंह यादव जी कांग्रेस की सरकार से नहीं है, लेकिन मैं इसमें बीजेपी का पक्ष कर रहा हूँ। 2014 के बाद ही जो सेडिशन के केसेस थे उनका डाटा मेंटेन किया गया। आप अगर देखा जाए तो 2014 से पहले जितने भी सेडिशन के केसेस थे उनका कोई भी अलग से डाटा मेंटेन नहीं किया गया। और करते भी कैसे, जिन लोगों को वो सेडिशन के चार्जेस में अपराधी नहीं ठहरा पाए तो उन्हें आईपीसी की दूसरे क्राइम्स में उनमें डाल दिया गया।
Greetings to all and all present here. Am I audible, sir? Okay. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, for granting me this opportunity to speak in this meeting. So, I would like to put forward my views, my party's views. I, Kiara Rajan of CPI, would like to put forward my party's views on this topic of marital rape. We have been discussing about marital rape, what it is, and why we should have a law that should criminalize it. Now, I want to put forward that marital rape is a very heinous crime. It doesn't only impact a woman, it also impacts the mental health of women, their physical health. Not only women's mental and physical health, but also it has been seen, according to United Nations reports, that the families which have more parental abuse or abuse of parents to one another, especially if father abuses mother, those children tend to go through severe depression, anxiety, etc. as they age from childhood and in early teen as well. So we can see that even as per NCRB's data and report, 1 in 3 women in India, they face sexual assault or any kind of assault from the hands of their husbands. So we can't just ignore all the data that have been given and that we have seen from the reports of United Nations, NCRB and other official sites. We have to look into the topic, into this problem that it is causing so much harm to women's lives, to children's lives, to the lives of family itself. That if marital rape won't be seen as a crime, then we cannot say that all the problems that are arising due to marital problem, they will not be solved properly. So we need a proper law that should cover and criminalize marital rape, as 150 countries in the world have already done that. gives a lot of advantage just because you are simply born as a male. Second, our institution of marriage is very corrupted. It gives all the power in the hands of man and its family. Women, they don't stand a chance when they have to express anything, etc. Third, I would also like to say that we as Indians, we need to we as Indians, we have to think more broadly about it, and we have to acknowledge all the problems that our women go through because they are not educated enough, because they are not empowered enough. Doesn't mean that what they go through, the sexual assault and all these ones that they go through, is not happening.
Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself Juvelia Kasmi, Vice President of QSL Debating Society. First of all, I want to congratulate everybody for playing their roles efficiently in making this event a grand success. Now, I would like to call upon the podium Mr. Naman Srivastav, Member of Organizing Committee, to share the event report of our 2 days National Youth Parliament competition.
Very good afternoon everyone. Myself Naman Srivastav and I am here to present the review of our first edition of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Memorial National Youth Parliament. This event was the brainchild of Quantum School of Law. Various discussions and deliberations happened, and at the end we reached to the conclusion about these two specific agendas under the guidance of our Chief Advisor Mr. Aman Yadav sir and the EBs, and with the support of our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, Pro Vice Chancellor sir, Director sir, our faculty members, we have organized this event. And of course, thanks to all the participants for participating and making it a grand event. On day one of the event, we have discussed on the issues regarding the freedom of media, sedition laws, UAPA laws, and on second day, we have discussed on the reform in rape laws, including marital rape and gender neutrality. And we reached to the conclusion that just by making law, it won't make a change. We can't give all the power to one side, as it will surely be misused. And apart from that, I want to mention that each participant had put their best. They have actually inculcated the habit of being a true leader by speaking out of their mind fearlessly. This event was organized in a hybrid mode. It was overall a different experience, as it gave people who are coming from outside an opportunity to speak out of their mind, as well as people who are in Quantum University, a new stage to perform their best. As language was not the barrier, we reached up to a fruitful conclusion on both the agendas mentioned. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Naman. Now, I would like to ask our guest of honor, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor sir, to address the gathering. Please.
Once again, second day in a row, it is indeed my proud privilege to be addressing the talented young future leadership who have participated so well in a very interesting, very constructive, and a very well planned 2-day Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee Memorial National Parliament. From the feedbacks which I have got yesterday and today, as also from what enthusiasm I saw yesterday during the inauguration, I think it's been an extremely successful event, and my compliments to all the participants. A big round of applause for that. Not only those who are sitting here, but also for the very vibrant participants from outside Quantum campus. Big round of applause for all of them. We are very fortunate to have been guided by very eminent advisors who enabled us with their past experience to make this event successful, and whose valuable advice we have been taking for last several weeks to enable fitting the knowledge in the entire event. It was interesting. the scope of various parliamentarians and national leaders in politics, which was played by some of you, enabled a better connect with the topic being discussed. It enabled you to think like the leader you were representing. It enabled rest of us to learn about the various problems facing the country, especially the political, economical and social aspects through your research. Right? You researched, we benefited. Well done. Very well.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your precious words. Now I would request Honorable Director sir to address the gathering, please.
Good evening, everyone. It was for me, I'm very privileged to be a part of this quantum conference while organizing, while being guided by my advisors further on, having shown keen interest on holding out such beautiful national and international events. So as we are, I feel myself very privileged in organizing this 2 days edition 1 of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee National Youth Parliament. I'm so happy to mention that this 2 days National Youth Parliament has been recognized in its different sense. The sense I am talking about, the level of registrations, the level of responses, the curiosity of the students from premier national law universities, the big colleges, the universities of repute like Caltech, if I can mention, Geetam University, Central University of Kochi, CUSAT, Pondicherry University. So these are few names and the list is so exhaustive. So these things, these responses made us very strong day by day, and today we are standing in front of everyone with a head high face that yes, National Youth Parliament, Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee National Youth Parliament has become a name in itself, and we have been recognized, we have been, we have got such a level and stature that now we can so proud of our presence that Pandit University has given us such an opportunity. So from my side, the organizers have done a very wonderful job because I can remember Naveen, आज से 18-20 दिन पहले we were actually nowhere, but the miracle came ultimately last 18-20 days, and we have reached to the level of the 60+ registrations, and I'm very much privileged to Aman, Raman, Shivansh and Mayur. They are always been my cherished followers, or you can say they believe on my personality कि अमन आप जब भी मेरे को हाँ करते हो किसी चीज़ के लिए वो मेरी चीज़ अपने आप सक्सेस हो जाती है. So thank you everyone. I would like to see more of the dynamism, more of the zeal, more of the spirit, more of the sense of dedication with some other events which we are coming with. So once again, my big kudos to my organizers, the conveners, the head of law department, Arjun, Naveen, Urmila ma'am, and student team, including the QSL Devoting Society. They have really changed they have really made the things transform. So that's all. Happy wishes, and I'm looking forward to the most awaited, the moment, that is the declaration of the winners from Lok Sabha and then AIPPM. So good to see, wonderfully looking forward, and all the best for future events as well, and I would like to be a part of these events confidently for many times. So once again, a big kudos to everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request our convener, Mr. Naveen sir, to please give concluding remarks and formally close the session.
So sir, before declaring the results, few concluding remarks. I'm not a man of big speeches. Few things. First, I would like to thank each one of you to be a part of this particular session, and I want to clap for you guys. And you please join, clap for yourself. At the end, what we have learned, what we have achieved, there's nothing but to speak out of your mind freely, frankly, and fearlessly. So on that note, I would like to formally end the session. And I would like to ask Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, Director Sir, Arjun Sir, Urmila Ma'am to please come on the dais and announce the results. Thank you.
I would just like to know from the people who are sitting at that side of dashboard, am I perfectly audible to everyone on screen? Can someone please confirm that am I audible to everyone?
Yes.
Alright, perfect. So here we are with the disclosures of the names of the winners. First from the Lok Sabha side. So because it is a huge list, because we are, as sir said, we are giving huge prizes. So there are 6 prizes, 3 from each category, that is from Lok Sabha, and 3 from AIWPM. So the 3 categories of prizes for Lok Sabha is Best Parliamentarian, we are winning with rupees 5,000 cash. Then we are giving High Commendation, rupees 3,000 cash, and then we are giving Special Mention, that is rupees 2,000 cash. Similarly, we are also going to disclose the prizes for AIWPM, again Best Parliamentarian, rupees 5,000, Special Mention 2,000, and High Commendation of rupees 3,000 with e-certificates as well. So I am starting with the Lok Sabha. So if though I am expecting that the names which we are going to disclose as the winners should at least for 1 minute they are expected to on their cameras show their face so that everyone can recognize themselves, and also I would love if they can disclose their university name, because in Haribari we didn't get the university name in this list. So Best Parliamentarian Lok Sabha goes to Naba Kumar, played by Ronak Kumar, rupees 5,000 cash. So Ronak Kumar, if you are on screen, please switch on your camera for some time so that we can have a double round of applause for you. Ronak Kumar, who played the role of, who had the portfolio of Naba Kumar. Ronak Kumar, are you there? I think so. No. So let's moving forward. The High Commendation Award for rupees 3,000 goes to Abhinandan, who was handling the portfolio of AM Arif. Abhinandan, if you are on board, please switch on your camera for some time. AM Arif, Abhinandan Singh. Okay, so the last special mention that bagged the prize of rupees 2,000 in cash went to, or going to, you can say, Aditya Sharma, who was handling the portfolio of Geeta Vishwanath. Aditya Sharma, Geeta Vishwanath. If you are there, please switch on your camera. Alright, I think so. Here also. No issue. Now the special appreciation, or if we can say the honorable appreciation for 5 people have been selected by the board of executive members. Sonia Gandhi is chosen as special appreciation. Mahua Moitra, Bhagwan, PR, Natarajan and Anurag Thakur. Please a huge round of applause for special appreciation being received by the executive board members, though they have not received any cash prize. But Acha. So PR Natarajan, please come forward. At least we can have a beautiful photo of you so that people can recognize your presence. So you have received a special appreciation by the executive board members. Photo? Yeah, please. So moving to the second section, that is AIWPM, All India People's Party Movement. As same as Lok Sabha, rupees 5,000 for being or claiming Best Parliamentarian Award goes to Ronak Upamanyu, who had the portfolio of Mr. Om Prakash. Ronak Upamanyu, if you are there, please switch on your camera for some time. Ronak high commendation goes to Suryansh Dikshit for having the portfolio of Sanjay Singh and back rupees 3,000 in cash and e-certificate of participation. Suryansh Dikshit, if you are online, please switch on your camera for some time. Okay, and the third prize, that is rupees 2,000 cash, went to Abhinandan Singh, who played the portfolio of AMRFG. Abhinandan Singh bagged the prize of rupees 2,000 in cash as special mention under AIPPM by executive board members. Abhinandan Singh, AMRF, rupees 2,000 cash. If you are there, please switch on your camera for some time. Alright. So now moving ahead, the last two honorable appreciations being chosen by executive board members went to Mandeep Singh Yadav for playing the role of Mulayam Singh Yadav and Sri Lakshmi for Smriti as being Smriti Irani. A huge round of applause for all the special mention, best parliamentarian, high commendation, and of course the special mention for honorable mentions being chosen by the executive board members consisted of being chief advisor as Aman Yadav ji, Mayank, Shivansh and Raman. So thank you all the executive board members for getting to us the wonderful winners in today's 2 days National Youth Parliament, and I'm very thankful to all the executive board members for playing such a versatile, the very dynamic, the impartial, and of course as dynamic as always their role been through. So this is from my side, and now I'm handing over the mic to Naveen for the next and the rest part of this. Yes, who is online? Yes, please.
एक बारी लोकसभा की ऑनरेबल मेंशंस के नाम एक बार और बता दीजिए।
अच्छा, लोकसभा ऑनरेबल मेंशंस, ऑनरेबल appreciation rather I would say, the girl who was handling the portfolio of Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Mahua Moitra, Bhagwan Singh, P.R. Natarajan and Anurag Thakur. So are you one of them?
Yes, sir.
Please come forward, switch on your camera for some time, be online, show us your face so that we can recognize through by your university name. Please could you spell out your university name? Could you please introduce yourself? Yes, please.
I'm the person who was holding the portfolio of Sonia Gandhi, हमारे यहाँ काम
A huge round of applause. Yes, please. Which university you are from?
Ma'am, I am from the Sardarpet Subhati Institute of Law, that is Subhati University, Meerut.
My name is Divya Chauhan. I am from Law College, Dehradun, Branchal University.
Yes, anyone else in the category of special mention or any winner list? If they are, please, we are giving you next 30 seconds time because we are running a short of time. Anyone else who is present?
School of Law, JNK University.
What did you win? What did you win?
In Kabul.
Anurag Singh. Please, a huge round of applause. So, handing over the mic to the anchor of the day to conclude the rest part of the session.
I would like to ask Vice Chancellor Sir, Director Sir, Urmila Ma'am, and our dear HOD Arjun Sir to give away a letter of appreciation to the students who have worked in and around for this specific event.
Okay, letter of appreciation goes to many students. So, Naman Srivastava, Akash Saini, Aditya, Joidia Karpi, Tejinder Rana, Sir, very Ankit Kumar
you.
Quantum University. The future is exciting.